Mo may color nga available. Nga wala pa nato.
Jesus Christ, with the intervention of our beloved saints, Saint Rom and Our Lady of Fatima. Tanan ba nakasimba kanina? Very good. May attendance pa kanina. Wala na maka-attendance? Na-absent. But nevertheless, we are very pleased to have every one of you here this afternoon.
And of course, we are very blessed. Earlier, gi-uwanta, ginagmay.
Yes.
Oh, but karon, look at the weather. Fair na, dili kaayo, init, dilipod kaayo, sige kuwan. We are truly blessed no, sa atuang selebrasyon ni ining atuang kapistahan din sa atong munisipyo sa Kalubian.
Thanks to God. And also, from the very beginning up to the end, as today is the culmination of our 106th Town Fiesta celebration. Ever since we started the celebration of festivity, we have witnessed the success of these activities, and of course, that is the leadership of our local leaders with their hard work, determination, and support. And with that, I would like to start to acknowledge the following individuals who have greatly contributed to the success of our 106th Town Fiesta celebration with the theme, Together with Mary and San Roque, Kalubian rejoice as pilgrims of hope. To our provincial governor, Honorable Carlos Jericho Petilla.
To our provincial vice governor, Honorable Leonardo Javier Jr.
To our congresswoman, Honorable Ana Victoria Veloso Tuazon.
And of course, to our board members, we have Honorable Marie Catherine Cabigding and Honorable Alan Ann.
We are also pleased to have this afternoon our former congressman and former justice, Attorney Vicente Ching Veloso.
And of course, we have visitors from different municipalities here in the 3rd district of Leyte. Of course, we have from municipality of Villaba, we have their mayor, we have Honorable Carlos Villoso.
We are also pleased with the collaboration and support coming from the leader of the municipal Municipality of Leyte, Honorable Jed Granados.
And of course, to our Mayor of Kalubian Leyte, at the same time, the overall chairman of the Fiesta Executive, we have Honorable Marciano A. Buttonson Jr.
And of course, with the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ana Veloso. And with us, our Sangguniang Bayan members, Honorable Julian Mark Bachansala, Honorable Eugenio Cheng, Honorable Noelia Miguel, Honorable Julia Halipay, Honorable Esther Logiayo, Honorable Rafi Martinez, Honorable Edward Omega, and Honorable Ben Leo Ronia.
And also to our Vice Chairman of the Fiesta Executive, we have Reverend Father Romulo John Espina.
We also would like to acknowledge, with their participation and support, the Association of Barangay Captains, our barangay officials, the Canas as well, headed by Honorable Alfredo Casas.
And of course to our Sangguniang Kabataan, headed of course by Honorable Carl Ernest Ponce.
And this event wouldn't be possible without the participation of the different heads and the employees of the different local and national offices in our municipality.
And of course, the different participating schools, contingents, our esteemed panel of judges, and of course, to you, our fellow Kalubianon, Happy Fiesta!
Once again, thank you all so much for your support, ang iyong presensya, ang iyong pakikiusa haamon niya na nahitabong gunin nga aton celebration ng aton 106th Town Fiesta. And we also would like to acknowledge our men and women in uniform, also our medics, our rescue team from the MDRRM office, as well as the Kabalikat chapter or from Kalubian chapter, San Isidro, as well as the chairperson of the different activities in our 106th Town Fiesta celebration. Datong kaupay nga salamat. Iningatangan, halad nato na aton Ginoo. Labinahan natin mga kay Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior, together with the intervention of our beloved saints, San Roque and Our Lady of Fatima.
And of course, to our fellow Kalubianos, nami pangutana gamay. Are you guys ready?
Nakapamista ba?
Wala.
Nakakaunang mission? Wala? Oh, sorry. And speaking of mission, and with the weather that we had this afternoon, if in any case, you feel nauseous, may nakang mga ipapamati, na siya malangin ang pamati, we have our friends here. Pwede na ka mga approach na diha. We want everyone to be safe, and we want everyone to enjoy our celebration. So, please approach our medics.
And of course, to itong mga binigyan na naidala na mga gagmay bata, please, ayaw sila ilayo sa inyo ang mga pananaw. Alam na daghan ang tao karon nining ato ang celebration.
And a reminder to all our contingents and to everyone, Kalubian Lubi Festival is more than just a performance to be judged or rated. We have to remember that Kalubian Lubi Festival is an extension of our identity, our rich history, our beautiful traditions, our strength and spirit as a community, and our formidable faith. So, the performances, the courage, the strength, the efforts, the heart and soul that we pour out in all the performances this afternoon are all offerings. Halal kinikanato para sa atong labawan na kagagahom. Let's not forget that. Okay? Now, but then again, we will choose the contingents who portray and perform Lubi Festival the best. And to help us in selecting our winner for this afternoon, we have our panel of judges.
would like to start with our first judge, one of the finest freelance choreographer of Maasin City, member of Maasin Ahonay Association, with a vibrant career spanning in the creative and events industry, a professional dance choreographer, certified makeup artist, hairstylist, seasoned event organizer, renowned for choreographing high-impact routines and transforming contestants through makeup and styling. Has worked with numerous pageant directors and festival winners. Choreographer of Ahonay Festival Grand Champion 2023, Mahong Festival of Tomas Opus, choreographer from 2022 up to 2024. LGU Bato Banali Festival 2025, Liga ng mga Barangay ang Bato Festival of Festival Grand Champion. Choreographer of Pagpugna Festival 2024-2025. Beyond the spotlight, she is the creative mind behind several successful events, flair with flawless execution. As a judge, brings a keen eye for performance, presentation, and potential, offering invaluable insight into what it takes to shine on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, please welcome Jonathan Sequoia City.
He graduated, or a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at Cavite State University last 2010. One of the founder of Sinagtala Dance Troupe, Siling at Galaw Tuklasin ang likhang ating dance troupe of Cavite State University. A dance athlete, dance porter of Cavite State University representing Region 4A and B for Squad and Pasok Olympics. Won gold medal in 2007, 2008, and 2009, and awarded as Athlete of the Year. Choreographer of Carcar City of Port Pasigarbo sa Subo ay Sinulog Festival. Pasigarbo sa Subo 2022 Grand Champion and Best in Street Dancing Competition. Sinulog Festival 2023 Panlalawigan Grand Champion and Second Runner Best in Street Dancing Competition. Sinulog sa Carmen 2023 Grand Champion. Pasigarbo sa Subo 2023 6th place and Best in Street Dancing Competition. Sinulog Festival 2024 Grand Champion and first runner-up Street Dancing Competition. Pasigarbo sa Subo 2024 4th placer and Best in Street Competition. Sinulog Festival 2025 Grand Champion, Sinulog Base Category and Best in Street Dancing. Biscop Festival 2024 Grand Champion. Hala Dinasal Festival 2024 Grand Champion. Member of Kabkan Performing Arts, representing Kabkan Kabkaban Festival of Cebu, Province of Daegon, South Korea Festival Dance of 2023. A choreographer of Kabkan Entertainment Production. A member of Cebu Creatives Association. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the chairman of the Board of Judges, Edgar Alpapara Alinsugar Jr. We're also pleased to introduce to you our third judge, a multi-awarded choreographer, creative director, and passionate cultural advocate. He is best known for bringing Eastern Visayas to the national stage. The first and only Southern Lake Penyo who has entered and represented Eastern Visayas in the National Dance Championships at Aliwan Fiesta. With his celebrated contingents like Tribo Alicarao, who got top placements in Aliwan Fiesta, were bagged third place in 2007 and fourth place in 2008. Third prize choreographer in Sinulog 2008. He has led numerous festivals to regional and national championships and remains a driving force behind community-based arts in Maasin City. He got back-to-back championship title in regional level late in Pinitados, Kasadjaran Festival of Festivals in 2005 and 2006. Grand Slam champion in the provincial level competition of Southern Leyte's Pagmukha Festival of Festivals in 2010, 2011, and 2012. Other Grand Slam championship titles include Sinumali Festival of Malipog Southern Leyte, Manhaon Festival of Macrohon Southern Leyte, Batubalan Festival of Batu Leyte, Alicarao Festival of Hilongos Leyte, two-time champion in Ahonay Festival of Maasin City, Karatong Festival of Bontog Southern Leyte, Kaputli Festival of Sugod Southern Leyte, one-time champion in Pauhog Festival 2022 of Tomas Obos Southern Leyte. As founder of the Mantahan Performing Arts Group and Procog's Dance Clinic, he has mentored generations of dancers, choreographers, and cultural leaders. His life's work reflects his deep commitment to representing tradition while embracing innovation in festival performances, where he recently had his artistic contributions and directorship, like during the grand comeback of Pagmukha Festival of Festivals 2024 of the province of Southern Leyte. He was also the creator of basic identity sets of Batubalan Festival of Batu Leyte. He founded two community-based festivals, the Summer Fiesta Festival of Mantahan, Maasin City, Kawayan Festival of Barangay Kawayan, Libagon, Southern Leyte. He is also an awardee of Outstanding Masinihanon in Culture and Arts in 2010. As certified member of Samahan ng mga Manilikha ng Sayaw sa Pilipinas, or Choreographer ng Pilipinas, and recently he submitted his application to be a member of National Commission for Culture and Arts, particularly in the National Committee on Dance Visayas chapter. To help us judge today's vibrant showcase of culture and creativity, a patronage of arts and its true icon in cultural dance and creative production. Let us all give a warm welcome to our esteemed judge, Mr. Reynaldo Bobo Proxy Abres. We are very honored to have your presence this afternoon. Now that we have our judges, let's get to know what are the guidelines and criteria for selecting the best team in our competition.
For the general guidelines, the competition is open to all employees or students from the assigned competing schools and clustered barangays. For the high school categories, we have three contingents. We have Galubian National High School, Felix A. Caneja National High School, and Rafaelito Cabañas Martinez National High School. For the elementary category, we have three contingents. We have the Department of Education South District, the Department of Education North District, and the Our Lady of Fatima Parochial School, and the MSA Sisters Academy of Kalubian Leyte. All competing groups shall perform within the general concept of this year's theme. Each contingent shall be within the maximum of 100 performers, which includes the dancers and the prop bearer. Canned music, tribal beats, original music arrangement, and lubi-lubi. Sa Kalubian Festival, jingle is required. Using another festival jingles are not allowed. All contingents are required to provide a moving sound mobile during street parade and serve also as the water station for the group. Head of contingent shall submit a complete list of dancers, propsmen, and support staff with the contact information to the secretary.
We would like to reiterate, for the different contingents, there are no limits on the participants. However, they will be given a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 7 minutes to perform the ritual dances. And these are the criteria for judging. Minimum of 5 minutes and maximum of 8 minutes. Here are the criteria for judging. Thematic interpretation, 20%. Clarity of message based on a synopsis submitted or read. Quality of movement and musicality relevant to the material. Performance, 30%. Precision and coordination, alignment, balance, focus, projection, rhythmic and spatial effects. Choreography, 30%. Creativity and artistry of dance steps, and blocking style and expression. Costumes and props, 10%. Artistic choice of color and style, effective use of props to the interpretation of the theme and choreography. And lastly, musicality, 10%. How the music interpreted to the concept and choreography.
Doon na.
Beauty and figure, 20%. Projection and gracefulness, 30%. Costume, 20%. Performance during ritual dance and derby, 30%. A total of 100%. Now in today's competition, we have our defending champion from Kalubian National High School. Asa mga Kalubian National High School? Ay, nagminaw. Wala ka energy. Will they maintain their title or maaagaw na yung ganahan iba mga participating agencies such as Rafaelito Cabanes Martinez National High School or Perez Caneja Lapuente National High School. Yes! Also, the defending champion in the elementary category, we have David Sao. Mamaintain ba ka sa David Sao ang title? Or maagaw na niya siya sa Olas? Or will Desmond North has a chance? Yes, we will find out. I believe we are all set. We have our judges. We have our special guests. We already know the criteria. Our medics are on standby. And our contingents are ready. How about you, Kalubianos? Are you ready? Medyo maluya ka.
Kayong?
Otro, Kalubianos, are you ready? Yun. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let the ritual showdown begin.
For Professor Franklin Garigor.
And second to perform, we have the Deaf North headed by Mrs. Berlinda Branzuela.
And third and last to perform
Ang
from
judge,
our Lady
Matabunan.
of Fatima Parochial School headed by Sister Ramonita Pedro BSC.
Sorry, utupunan ka mo. Ako ini karon dito ko ang puno.
Each of our presentations have their own interpretation, have their own story to portray, adhering to this year's Fiesta Celebration theme.
Bawal po! Bawal po masulungan! Bawal po masulungan na pisi! Bawal po! Sorry po! Bawal po masulungan!
Now, after our elementary level, we will proceed immediately later to our secondary level. Again, all contingents will have their own portrayal and story in their ritual showdown, adhering to the theme, together with Mary and San Roque, Canyon rejoice as pilgrims of hope. We would like to request representatives from each contingent in the elementary level to please ready your synopsis.
Pag sunblock na lang. Oo. Sige, sige. Lagi ang kalihok. Kalihok, pag ka na po, maaraw ka kaya.
While our first contingent set up for their ritual performance, we would like to take this opportunity to once again acknowledge our sponsors. We would like to thank Pamela, Mrs. Pamela Vergara Gaspan of Pamela Beauty Essences, and our official photographer, Matt Meda.
Okay, requesting sa ato ang mga fellow Kalubianos nga naa sa atubangan sa ato ang sound system. Palihog itaw paglingkod kay dili makakita ang ato ang mga sound system no sa kung mag-cue na ba. Again, requesting sa ato ang mga fellow Kalubianos sa atong audience nga naa sa atubangan ng taon sa ato ang sound system. Palihog lingkod lang. Dapat kayo sa naman sa nito operation.
And also,
Okay, thank you.
we are currently live on Facebook, right, Dockside? Dockside, are we live on Facebook? Yes. It is featured also in our official Facebook page, Experience Kalubian, via the Facebook page of Dr. Cyril Ian Alongra, our Municipal Health Officer. Ladies and gentlemen, our first. Ladies and gentlemen, our first contingent for our elementary level. From Kalubian South District.
Bundok sa mga batang Kalubianon nga cute. Ang lungsod sa Kalubian nagsaulog sa matang tuig nila nga pistahan. Selebrasyon kini sa pagpasalamat sa kaabunda sa panginabuhian o sa kapibo sa katawhan sa maong lungsod. Pagpangamuyo kini nga sa kanunayon nga gimahal o gipangga sa kahitasan ang Kalubian bisan pa man sa mga kagulian. Ang bundok sa mga batang Kalubianon nga cute sa Kalubian South District mapasigarbuhong mupakita o mupasugdayan sa ilang katakos, talento o pagpasalamat. upalaganan usab sila og bilinhong mensahe sa pag-amuma o paghatag o igong importansya sa mga butang na pararapod sa kaayuhan sa kalubian. Sama sa paghatag ng importansya sa labing na ilang, sukad pa kaniadto, ang unang panginabuhian sa mga lumulupyo nga mao ang lubi sa kalubian, kung unsa gayon ang angay nato nga masayran nganong ato jud tagaan ug paglagtaw ang lubi sa kaniadto sa karon ug sa umaabot pa ang mga panahon. Si Teacher Luby Ann, ang yawi nga mabutyag ug upahibalo sa kadaghanan kung unsa gayon ang ato makuha ug nganong tagaan jud nato kini ug gayon ug saysay ang lubi sa atong kinabuhi. Ug kana pinaagi sa pag-esplitar o pagpahayag sa mga gamit ni inigikan sa leaves, roots, trunk, meat, corn, husk, water, o shell. Ug tuod man sa mga gibutyag nga impormasyon sa mao nga mga gamit ni ini, hugod gayud ang pagigbisog dili lang sa mga katigulangan kundi atiusab sa mga kabataan. Kay sila mismo ang makabaton sa mga benepisyo niini o upadayon o amuma para sa sunod pa nga henerasyon o sa mga nakuha pod nga mga impormasyon niini. Nahigmata at kadaghanan kung unsa kabilinhon ang lubi sa atong kinabuhi. O sa pamaagi nga mga saysay ni Teacher Luby Ann, diha po dayon ang aksyon sa pundok sa mga batang kalubianon nga cute sa South District sa pagsugod og tanong o pag-amuma niini. Yatagan ng June ug dakong katungdanan ang mga kabataan sa pagpangga sa maong lubi. Kay kini, di lamang para sa kaayuhan sa mga palibot sa gisakupan, kundi paminapod sa kalubianon nga katawhan. Ug sa gihatag ang katungdanan sa mga kabataan niini, niresulta jud og naabunda pa nga mga lubi sa lungsod sa kalubian. Ug tuod niini, mas mihugot pa ang ilang pagpasalamat sa mahal nila nga mga patron sa lungsod nga si Birhen sa Fatima o ni Senyor San Roque. Pagpasalamat sa kanunayon nga sa pagtinabangay o pagkinunungay. Kalambuan gayon ang matagamtaman sa walay paglangay-langay. Viva Birhen sa Fatima! Viva Senyor San Roque! Experience Kalubian! Abante pa Kalubian! Pundok sa mga batang kalubianon nga cute. Your time starts now!
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Teacher Lubian.
Our lesson for today is about the different use of a coconut. Sa Bisaya pa, ang mga lain-lain na gamit sa lubi.
Teacher, di ba damo man lubi dilihan atong lugar?
Tama, madamo kayo lubi sa atong lugar. Maong gibansagkan ang atong lungsod na kalubian. O karon, atong tagsatagsaon ang mga gamit ni inigikan sa leaves, roots, trunk, meat, coil, husk, water, and shell.
Teacher, dapat po pala natin alagaan at pahalagahan ang mga kalubihan sapagkat ito'y nagbigay halaga hindi lang sa ating kaligtasan, pati na rin sa ating pamumuhay.
Correct. Okay, class, dismiss.
Thank you, Teacher!
Once again, that was our first contingent for our elementary level. Our Pundok sa mga batang Kalubianon na cute from Kalubian South District. That position is 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Makita pa natin ng tanan nag-participate. Take ang lahat. District Head, Sir Franklin, at mga teachers, may napaka-uniform. May nasa rin naka-attendance. Thank you so much. This is one of the beauty of having these performances, these celebrations, or these contests, wherein we feature our festival dance, our Lubi-Lubi dance, as we want to pass on our history, our tradition, and make sure na diri kini ang mawawala, na dahil natin identity, ada naman niya, upon natin, regardless of the generation, regardless of wherever we are in life, daradara tayo niya, yan ato niya ikakapasigan mo. We truly are proud to be Kalubianons. Thank you so much, our first contingent from Kalubian South District, Pundok. Once again, that was our first contingent for our elementary level. Pundok sa mga batang Kalubianon na cute from Kalubian South District. Okay, for all the contingents na po attention, we will give you some time to set up and all your props when you exit. Before and after you perform, you will give it some time to take out your props para po to give way to our next contingent. As much as possible, you want all the performers from the different contingents, when you exit after your performance, palihog na lang side of dala sa inyong mga props para dili na ta mo-take time, dili na ta madugay. Daghang salamat.
Kalubiana North District, Ribo, Montejano, Mananaya.
Any representative or the synopsis from Gapay North, please approach us. Mahangyaw na po kami.
Pasa ka doon, oy!
Ang mga tao po nga nakasalibod ng ating sound system. Ang mga nagkaroon ay mga lugar. Ay masira rin ako sa boss para lang maging pagkakunan natin mga music operators. Mahangin ako ng otro, alayo na po kita paglusan, nga dato mo na may music operators para kayo na masalikdan. Lisod na bangin, diri, mga cue, ay natin mga contingents, ay natin mga performers, kulugudan natin ang mga rason, kayo na mapirdi. And we don't want that. Okay? We ask for your cooperation and understanding. Thank you. See, we're blessed with a good weather now. Wow! Thank you, Lord. thanks to the following. Pamela Vergara Gaspan, Mrs. Pamela Vergara Gaspan of Pamela Beauty Essences, Likha Group of Artists, Proud Kalubian and Talents, and Kabalikan Kalubian and San Isidro Chapters. Thank you so much. We also like to thank the local government unit of Leyte, headed by Honorable Jed Granados.
In a humble rural town of Kalubian, a diligent student dreams of graduating, guided by his deep faith in God through Birhen sa Fatima and Senor San Roque. Knowing diploma is the result of unwavering faith and relentless hard work, the journey becomes a beacon of hope for others, provided that with determination and trust in God, no dream is too far to reach. This festival centers on the history of Kalubian, which focuses on the captivating tale of Kalubian, where Kalubian means abundance of coconut tree. Choreography becomes a storytelling medium memory. Each dance sequence determines time periods and purpose, from slow reverent movement depicting deep praise to energetic, vibrant displays, symbolic happiness, encapsulating the essence of progress and prosperity. The shape of the temple brings the audience back to the present, returning to the fairy tale life, while showcasing the local product emphasis, the community's livelihood, and its entity. The dance served as a mesmerizing journey through time with intersection of Birhen sa Fatima and Senor San Roque. Hit choreographer Jerry Bayani, dance masters Jerry Cagor, Ali Ocampo, Neil Patrick Bayani. From North District, Tribo, Nortehanong Mananayaw, Viva Birhen sa Fatima, Viva Senor San Roque, Viva, Viva, Viva!
Tribo Nortehanong Mananayaw, your time starts now.
Ang musika ay istorya. At yung una na mga panahon, si Maria ang siya ay nagpupul sa tabi kung hindi ang di nahihiraw. Sa kaadlaw, ang pinapara na katika hanggang ng gabi habang gabi. Kaya iligan mo, nandito lamang. Nag-iwan na ang lahat ng libre ang iba na ang nagtawag na kalubitan.
Graduate of school year 2025-2026.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our second contingent for the elementary category from Caloocan North District, Rico Lopejano Mananaya.
Punta ko lang.
Soon we have 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Nagsakit na akong kamot.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was volunteer mga nayaw from Lubian North District.
Congratulations also to all the graduates of batch 2025. Oh, congratulations! But then again, as we all know, this celebration, we are able to continue the legacy of our municipality Caloocan with our rich history, our tradition, our vibrant tradition to the next generations. We also would like to acknowledge our visitors from different parts of the country. Mayroon na ba tayo may nalilitig na Cebu? Hello!
Duard! Pagpayong anaga mo! Pagpayong anaga mo! Pagpayong anaga!
Cebu na Caloocan. Parehas ako, no?
Duard, oh!
Maalam kami na damo gihapon na ng mga Caloocanan na nanguli. Pinapahalain na nasoy.
Dili,
To those who
start.
just returned from different parts of the world, welcome back home. Tinood yun man ang sinisaring na there is no other place
Pag-start.
like home. Wherever life may take us, we will always find our way back to our very first home. And that is
Caloocan,
Caloocan.
Okay, indeed, we are blessed. Karon gitagaan na taong init yung panahon. Ganiha, gitagaan na taong shower gano'y pampakalma sa temperatura na to. No? Karon, gitagaan na taong maayo nga adlaw. Hindi pati ang panahon na kiuyon ni nga to ang selebrasyon sa kapistahan na dinhi sa Kalubian Leyte. Ano na usa ka masipag bakbak para sa Kalubian
Inig-start.
Leyte.
Mag-start! Oo. Mag-start na lang. Oo.
Excited na ko para natin next and last convention. Kalma. Baby, kalma. Kumusta na natin mga Kalubian natin sa third floor? Alright, third floor. Hello! Ano ang commercial building? Make some noise! Hala, nakaluya maningin.
Carl!
Mayroong paingin. Pagsalot na mo namon. Again! How about Kalubianos? Second floor commercial building! Hello!
Ang
Make
sinopsis
some
ayaw lanay.
noise!
Ang sinopsis ayaw lanay.
Alasaron din. But are you enjoying the show? Klaro pa ko, Pai? Okay lang? Yay! Thank you!
Sige ba ito ka to, Siargao?
Ang bundok mo pasalamatan, usa ka bundok sa babayang salon nga nagdali ug magpasalamat sa ganang grasya na ilang nagawa. Ilabi na sa palabang o panalibod sa mga alkadehe sa Fatima o sa Roque, atong mga patron. Sa ilang istorya, atong masaksihan ang makapanasig ng kinabuhi sa usang kamagtiayon na matiwag-anon sa pagtuman sa kabuhuton sa Ginoo. Di panalaginan sila sa usang kalakong grasya. Ang paglihi sa nagmabdos ng babae sa butong, usa ka simbolo sa kultura, kalipay, paglaon o pagkamatinumanon sa saad sa Diyos. Tungod sa pag-iya o panalangin sa ilang mga patron, ang ilang paliwanay na bunga o malinawon o malungtaron nga pagpuyo. Pinaagi sa matahong o paiupsanon nga pagsayaw, ang bundok mapasalamaton nagpadayag sa ilang tinuuray nga pagpasalamat ngadto sa Dios ug sa ilang mga santos nga giilang nagiya o magdamabang sa ilang espiritual nga panon. Duyog sila karon sa pagsaulog sa kinabuhi, pagtuo o gahom sa grasya sa Ginoo. Pinaagi sa usa ka pasundayan kapuno sa kalipay, debosyon o pagtuo. Ladies and gentlemen, the Our Lady of Fatima Parochial School of Kalubian Incorporated and Missionary Sisters Academy of Kalubian, in cooperation of Barangay Guadalupe, Barangay Lipa, Barangay Ulog, Barangay Mahae, Barangay Cantunghaw, Barangay El Veloso, Barangay Patis, Barangay Garganera, and Barangay Ferdinand. Pundok, mapasalamaton!
Pundok, mapasalamaton. Your time starts now.
Mangga,
Dili, kanang
santol,
dili, kanang bangko. Kailangan kong kakabutong. Kailangan ko ikaw mismo ang kuha o magkakak. Kakapin ko dili.
Butang ni.
langga, naana imong butong, ali, tiyawi.
Hi, Johan! Hi, man! Ah. Iwan kita, Iwan. Nasasaag. Absent-minded, mga jong. Payong.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was Pundok Mapasalamako. And that ends our contingents for the elementary category. And of course, a big round of applause sa ato mga performers sa elementary categories. Again, a big round of applause para sa ilang mga performers.
We now know that we have preserved, and this tradition will continue for generations to come. Kaya nakita pala natin ang ating mga kabataan, how proud and how happy they are as they dance in our Lumi-Lumi Festival. I can't help but feel a bit nostalgic because I was once in their place. Ang gano'n namang buhaton, grabe namang sayaw, grabe ang singit, grabe ang pagpasalamat. Nagkatunan, ganun namon, dito pa kami hagpuhatay ka. So makita mo na sa mga nakapagaling ng hapon. Kamanaway! Ikaw yung mga nanayo, di ako mga nananayo sila. Yes!
Pakanta ka daw.
Magpapadalain ko ng aton tradisyon, ang aton pagka-Kristiyano, pagkakalugianon, ang mga sumusunod na henerasyon. So what we have witnessed earlier are the contingents for our elementary level. This time, we will continue with our ritual dance showdown with our secondary level. But first, allow us to mention our prizes. Now, all participating contingents, win or lose, as long as they participate, will receive a consolation prize worth 5,000 pesos.
So this will be the awards that will be given to our winners. Starting with, for the street dancing, for our second runner-up, they will receive 2,000 pesos with a certificate. And for our first runner-up, we have 3,000 pesos with a certificate. And of course, for the grand champion for street dancing, they will receive 5,000 pesos and with a certificate. And for the ritual dance showdown, for our second runner-up, they will receive 30